In this video, we're going to walk through how to use TeamGate CRM for customer support. If you're trying to find a CRM that streamlines your support process and helps you provide a better customer experience, you're in the right place. Stay tuned until the end for an exclusive bonus on how to get the best free trial, plus some other software options that might better suit your customer support needs. So, let's jump right in. First up, TeamGate CRM is all about making customer support more efficient and personalized. When you sign up, you're greeted with a dashboard that provides an overview of your support tickets, ongoing conversations, and customer interactions. This centralized approach makes it easier for teams to stay organized and respond quickly. You can prioritize customer inquiries, making sure your high-value clients don't slip through the cracks. Next, one of the great features of TeamGate CRM for customer support is its integration with email, chat, and social media platforms. This means no matter where your customers reach out from, you can consolidate all those messages in one place. You won't have to juggle between multiple apps or tabs, and you can ensure consistency in responses across all channels. This is especially crucial for teams with a lot of customer touchpoints. The third thing is automation. TeamGate offers several automated workflows that help reduce the time spent on repetitive tasks. For example, you can set up triggers to automatically assign support tickets to the right team members based on the issue type or customer priority. Automation can also help with follow-up reminders, so nothing falls through the cracks. Next, TeamGate's reporting feature is worth mentioning. For any customer support operation, data is key. With TeamGate CRM, you can track key metrics like response times, customer satisfaction, and ticket resolution rates. This kind of insight helps you identify areas that need improvement, spot trends, and ensure your support team is always performing at their best. You can even customize your reports based on the specific goals you want to achieve. However, let's talk about some of the limitations. While TeamGate CRM does offer a lot of functionality for customer support, it's not without its drawbacks. The user interface can feel a bit clunky at times, and getting used to the platform's layout might take longer than expected. Also, while it does offer integration with other tools, it's not as seamless as some competitors. If your team relies on other software for customer support, you might experience a few hiccups when connecting everything. Now, here's the twist. Although TeamGate is a solid option for customer support, there are some other platforms that might suit your needs better. In fact, I'll be sharing those with you shortly, and they come with a free trial as well, so stick around for that. Before we wrap up, let me remind you that TeamGate CRM is offering an exclusive and extended free trial through the link in the description below. But wait, if you're open to exploring alternatives, I've found some incredible options that might better fit your customer support goals. These tools also have free trials, and I'll dive into those shortly. So, in conclusion, TeamGate CRM does offer some solid features, especially for teams looking to centralize their customer support operations. However, depending on your specific needs, it may not be the best fit for every business. If you want to explore other solutions that may offer better support for your unique needs, be sure to check out the links in the description for some amazing alternatives.